Yo, what's good, boys? Tonight, we got a fun one. Basically, I'm gonna give my boy the keys to my car, and he's gonna give me the keys to his car, and we're going to go ape shit on the highway. Well, only some ape shit happening on the highway. We're not gonna be on the highway too long, but...
In Mexico.
In Mexico. We're in Mexico. We're in Mexico. His fitment is absolutely crazy. He's got new tires. His car's also much lower than mine, so it's definitely a different driving experience. And also his transmission, in my opinion, it's just the downshifts are way crispier. It'll be a totally different driving experience for you guys, because obviously I do POV shit. But yeah, basically I'll be taking this out. He'll be taking out the Mustang, and we're just gonna go have fun. So I'll see you guys in a second.
Oh my god. Dude,
oh my god.
The Hyper Sport.
The Hyper Beast.
I'm gonna blow it up.
Hop in, bro. It's your new ride.
Should I start her up?
Yeah, give her start up, boy.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. All right, boys, we're in the Q50. Always buckle up. Safety is the key thing. And my boy Liam is in here with me. What's good, bro? What's good? All right, we're good to go. Whew. I gotta play catch up here, bro. Loud, bro.
Does it have OEM headers?
Yeah, it does. Sounds really good, dude. Floor it, bro, floor it! My left ear's like going out right now, dude. Yo!
Yo.
How is it?
It's fucking awesome. How is it?
It's lit!
I love seeing my own car. This is fun.
This thing feels way more planted, dude. Way more planted.
This is like, I love how you literally can't floor it.
Yep.
Like you have to like give it just the right amount.
I could tell you're letting off, dude.
I am. I'm trying to be careful, bro.
God, that hurts, bro. When it's like right there. It sounds so good, bro. Dude, that's so loud, bro. This thing's downshifts are so crispy. You're cooked. Dude, all-wheel drive drive, bro. That thing can't hook for shit. This thing just goes. I gotta shut off the carbon fiber steering wheel, bro. Hold up. Guys, look at this steering wheel, by the way. It's pretty fucking nice, pretty nice.
How responsive do you think it is, like from the paddle?
Very. Bro, he just got loose. He just got loose, bro.
He's getting more comfortable.
Dude, he's gone. I can't keep up, bro. I can't keep up. Imagine he floors it into a ditch right here, bro. This is a spot to do it. This spot's so slick right here.
Oh yeah, I've lost track. This
Right.
turn going to Nate's.
Yeah, right here. It's so bad. Here he goes. Woo! Oh, here we go, dude. Is it fast? What'd you hit?
Like 120. When you were like gone, I was like, okay, here we go. And I floored it.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
thing just wants to go, dude. Every little blip on the throttle.
Yep.
Yep.
It's trying to go.
I go like 150 down the main straight.
All right. All right.
Don't get pulled over, bro.
I don't want to. I don't want to get arrested. Y'all gonna send it off of here?
Yeah, I'll send it.
All right. I'm gonna be careful. I don't want to spin out and die.
Ten.
There's a fifth gen behind us.
Oh, there is. There's a 5th gen Mustang. Lit. Oh shit. It's not a cop. We're good. Bro, this thing on a stoplight is so much fun.
I can feel it.
It just hooks. Oh, he's stepping on it, I think. Yeah, he's gone, bro. He's stepping on it. Yeah, he's gone, dude. I think he probably hit like 140 right there. I can only imagine what it's gonna sound like with Catless headers. Like,
if he did that same thing, like a pull next to you with the windows open, ringing.
yeah, bro.
That's it.
Like, it's already like really fucking loud, but it's not like, I've heard louder, right? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I really wonder what the difference will be with the Catless headers, bro. Genuinely.
It's right in between like loud and painfully loud right now.
Dude, yeah. Yeah, it's teetering the edge, bro. That was lit though, bro. Holy shit.
I hope that's on camera.
Really? That's fucking crazy. cam, bro.
Listen to the cam, bro.
On the road, bro, definite. Like it actually hurt.
Yours were mine too.
Yeah, they were both loud.
Yeah, dude, we were both ripping at the same time, but you were a little far in front of me.
Yeah.
Bro, I couldn't even hear the car.
Yeah.
Like my ears were getting
When you're like, a
blasted out.
car's like, yeah, that ghost cam is crazy.
Or now imagine with catless headers.
How do you even put traction down on those tires, bro? Like,
You're gonna get a
don't.
noise complaint.
Literally, there's 275s on here, bro, and you can probably tell in the video he was just spinning.
yeah, bro, you're gonna need some.
You were spinning for sure, at least a few.
Oh, yeah, like you gotta
Yeah.
respect that shit. Like it wanted to kill me. It wanted to kill me.
Hey, well, you're alive and well, so
Yeah, thank you.
You made it, bro.
Thank
You
man.
made it.
Appreciate it.
Let's go, bro.